courts are buzzing. There seems to be a lot of action. Big names. You have the national champion. You have the national amateur champion. You have all the big names in the country playing this event. Your thoughts on how it's important it is to to get to attract these type of players.
Well, as you know, Liguanea Club as always is no stranger in putting on these events, and I think the players are very comfortable playing here, and they look forward to tournaments that is held here. So I'm really happy for the support, really glad for the support, and it's a new sponsor, and they are very happy, Innovative, coming on board for the first time. So, it's a good feeling.
And how are things going so far?
Things are going good. We are on track. Tomorrow we'll start most of the round of 16s going forward. So we are pretty much on target. The numbers are very good. We have over 110 players taking part in 4 categories, and that's a very, very good turnout.
Okay, and where do you hope, or what do you hope, at the end of this, you will achieve?
Well, the thing is this: when you have amateur tournaments, it's mainly for bragging rights and camaraderie. And these players, they look forward to tournaments like these. And we as tournament coordinators and coaches, we always have to find something to keep the amateurs interested, because they are the ones who are the sponsors, they are the drivers to take the kids to training. They are the machinery behind the sport. So when we put on tournaments like this, it's like I said, it's for just bragging rights and for them to come up. For the pros, it means that another opportunity to showcase their skills and to go out there. And we don't have a lot of tournament for the pros, so I'm very happy that we were able to work with Innovative and NCB, who is the main sponsor for the open event. And there's a nice prize money for them, and the competition will be very, very competitive.